Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you through changing the email address and password of your BoldSign account. Changing your email address within BoldSign enables you to keep your professional details up to date, seamlessly aligning with changes in your career, such as moving to a new company or new contact information resulting from a transition. Changing your email address also serves as a security measure, especially in cases where you suspect any threats. By updating your email, you enhance the security of your BoldSign account, effectively safeguarding sensitive documents and transactions. Additionally, aligning your email address with your professional brand or maintaining consistency across various online platforms is another compelling reason for this change. The impact of changing your email address within an in-progress document varies depending on your role. If you're the sender, the document is revoked. As a signer, you can still sign, but you will do so as someone without a BoldSign account. For individuals acting as hosts responsible for in-progress documents, it is advisable to complete all pending documents before initiating an email address change. Changing your password in BoldSign is essential for securing your account and safeguarding sensitive documents. Regular password updates are a vital defense against unauthorized access, preventing alterations to your account settings and preserving the validity and legality of your digital signatures. This practice also helps mitigate the impact of credential leaks on other platforms, enhancing the overall security of your sensitive information. Let me show you how to change your email address first. I access the BoldSign application page and expand the settings menu. I choose My Profile to navigate to the My Profile page. Here I move to the Email Settings section. To change the existing email address, I click the Change button near the email address. This takes me to the Verify Email page, where I'll enter the verification code sent to the current email address. If required, I can resend a code by clicking the Resend Code button. After entering the code, I click the Verify button to navigate to the Change Your Email page. Here I enter the new email address and click the Change Email button. This takes me to the verification page, where I'll enter the verification code sent to the new email address. Once done, I click the Verify button to navigate to the My Profile page. Here the updated email address is displayed in the email address field. This is how the email address is changed. Next, I will show you how to change the password. To do this, I click the Change button in the password field. This takes me to the Change Your Password page. Here I enter the current password in the old password field. Next I enter the new password in New Password. The new password field has criteria that require a minimum length of 8 characters, including at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. To ensure a strong password, all criteria must be met. I then confirm the new password in the Confirm Password field. I can view the password by clicking the eye icon. If the password in the New Password and Confirm Password fields do not match, an error message will be displayed when I click the Change Password button. Once I am done with my changes, I click the Change Password button. The password will be changed. And now I can use the updated email address and password when accessing my account. Next, let me show you the status of the documents in the account after changing the email address. To do this, I expand the Documents menu and choose My Documents. This takes me to the My Documents page, where a list of my documents is displayed. The documents sent previously and those in progress using the old email address are now revoked. However, the statuses of completed, declined, expired, and revoked documents before the email address was updated remain unchanged. If you forget your password during login, reset it by clicking the Forgot Password button on the password page, and then follow the steps to reset the password. That's all there is to changing the email address and password of your BoldSign account. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.